I told her bring back. I told her bring back.
No, man. What you should have done, I never say you should do it enough. You get the Corona with 2. Instead of the 6 Corona, you get 2 drug at the night. That's like
No, but then but you see, because they do that, they still end up almost doing things because they take charge by the people. See.
Okay.
You just think by it, I don't know when that is.
Because the aisle wasn't extremely hot when I took in the fish break up already.
Yeah, I'm in roast already. The yellow yam and the soft yam. So actually I'm gonna scrape them, not peel them this time.
Family, welcome back to the channel. It's a boy, Holy Fire 777. Yeah, I know coming to you live from Grand Cayman, a little island in the Caribbean. Yeah. So I reached home early from work this evening. Yes, very early. Fairly early. So what am I gonna do today? I'm gonna excavate some fish. But I'm not gonna do it in the kitchen, I'm gonna do it outside. Yeah, I know that'll go nicer. Cause somehow I love to cook outdoors. It just give me another vibe. Different vibe, you know. So I'm gonna catch up the fire and thing. Yeah. I'm not catch the fire yet until I don't season the fish. So here I have some season. I'm gonna make carrot and onion and sweet pepper and hot pepper. Pumpkin noodle and my season. 2 pieces of yam. Yeah, and a buckle of oil. Yeah. So I go deal with some fish. So I say steak. No, I'm gonna excavate it. Yeah. Yes, babes. So over here, so I have a fish ready. So I have to put the fish in a big bag to thaw out, so it thaw out faster because it was well frozen. It was really frozen. So right about now, I'm gonna throw off the water here. I'm gonna throw off this water. Yeah, throw off this water. Get some fresh water in there. Yeah, look on the size fish here. Look at this size fish piece, look there. It's a nice size fish there. So let me try it here. Yeah. So like this now, I think I'm gonna cut it in 2. And I got red snapper. I don't remember the name, but this is not snapper. Don't recall the name of this fish, but it is not snapper. Yeah. So I got some good size. Yeah, and this is the red snapper. I get some good size snappers. So I'm just gonna get them ready and season out. So stick and stay. Don't go nowhere. Alright too. So your tips. We'll just say salt out the fish there now. So I get them ready. So I just say fish them big, so I cut off the fin and everything off of them and bust them in 2 because they are extremely big. So you cut them like that. So the season soaking in it and the oil penetrate the body of the fish quick. So you have less work to do. So when I'm seasoning the fish, I like to cut off them here, fins and stuff, because them here sharp. Fin are really sharp. Yeah. But these are some nice fish, fresh fish peeps. Get me say? I'm not show off on those who can't get fresh fish. And I'm tell enough living I carry. Hush. Hush here. I'm gonna eat it for me and Unos. Yeah. You see even the part here at the back, peeps. This part here at the back. Nothing normal. You see them bone here? See? So when you're seasoning, you have to be careful. I will cut you and that one here right here so too. Yeah, dangerous. Dangerous. Yes. The fisherman clean them up pretty good too. Real good. Clean them up real good. When they clean them, you ain't gonna feel no scale or anything like that on it. Yeah. Outdoor, yeah, now it got nice. See, let's put some big cut in it so it fry properly. So even if I'm not gonna use all of this fish, I'm just cleaning up everything. See me? Yeah. Tell your peeps you don't want this to juke in your hand. It can beers, you feel the same way if you run up in your hand. So if you have a scissors, it will work out even better. So I don't have a scissors to use on it. So I'm using a knife. Some people chop it, but I don't have to chop it because I don't like chop it. When I chop it, I'm gonna mess you up, I mess up the kitchen. I don't like that. Let's say cut these fish because my frying pot is not that huge. Like this can fry one by itself, but this is smaller. So this is not necessarily cut. This can fry by itself. Yeah. So outdoor cooking place. Outdoor Jamaican style. Yeah, so I cook so that's my mystery lady can get some. It's a mystery lady, yeah, my mystery lady. Mystery lady can get some. Ah, shucks. I nearly cut myself. Yeah, so this one. Yeah. Let's have a bit of stuff inside of it. Not much. You know with Jamaican style, we normally clean out everything. We don't want to see nothing in it. Nothing at all. And after cleaning up like this, I'm gonna wash it off again. And then I squeeze some lime in it. Because I just love the flavor of the lime. The lime cut away the rawness. You know, say a fish normally raw. But when we look about fish, I guarantee you, you won't even smell it smelling raw. You will not smell it smelling raw. Because I'm getting rid of that. So now I have to call up my fisherman because I'm running out of fish. And you know, say at Easter, you're not supposed to run out of fish. Yes, Steve. So, as I said, no place like the Caribbean. You get fresh fish to eat. Fresh fish from the sea to the pot. And we that. No place like the Caribbean. I didn't even cut up this one. Or the previous one. Yeah. Put it like that. 3 times. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Season soak in. And then put it in the pot. Soak very easily. Oh, this is a grunt. I can put down this. I'm not going to fry this. This is for roasting. Or I could roast it too. I don't know. Maybe I could roast it. No, I can't roast it now because I have to prepare stuff for roasting fish. I don't got that time now. So for another day, roast it. I'm gonna roast it alone. Probably one day roast it alone. I'm gonna mystery lady. Yeah. Let me see if any more leave. That's it. Oh, one more leave. One more grunt. So, yeah, but the grunt here is small. Somehow I don't like small fishes. Because small fish have more bone to deal with, especially grunt. Yeah, they have more bone to deal with. Okay, when I roast it, it's not so bad when I roast it. Yeah, but I don't really like, I'm not a grunt person per se. If it big grunt, it have to be big like this one. Yeah, but small like this, not my thing. But fisherman pick them out, thank him still I didn't pick them out. If I had gone, I'd pick out the bigger one then. Yeah, so that's it. No more fish. So now peeps, stick and stay. I'm clean up this and season the fish then. We are back outside. We're outside. We are outside peeps. On outside set away. Yeah. Outside set away peeps. Yeah, so still have them fish here in some water. So I'm gonna throw off the water here. Yeah, so it's good to have this outside. You cannot always throw the water with ease. Yeah. So guess what I'm gonna do now peeps? I'm gonna season up the fish. Yeah. I'm gonna season the fish now. Before I do that, you know my style already. I squeeze lime on it, but because of so much fish, it's a good amount of fish, I'm gonna like use 2 lime. Yeah. Use 2 lime on it. Lime drop, peeps, my lime drop. And drop some of the run the wash off it. Very nice dull. So yeah. Make sure get it inside of the fish them. Good. Give it real good inside. Yeah. Just like that. Yes, it's juicy. Juicy like that. So now, yeah, there's a fish I'm showing you. See, it's a good amount of fish. Because it's not just me alone. It's me and Shelly and my Miss Julie. I know Shelly, I think it's a big up aside Shelly. And Shelly is my sister from another mother. Yeah. So, in case I have a lot of juice, now you throw off some of it. I know the fish are going to fry, so too much water up on the fish when you're frying it. That's going to be a problem for you. So, as I say, Grace will soon start sponsoring me. I'm going to use 2 Grace pumpkin noodle. Yeah. Yeah, I don't want the noodle part, but it gives it a nice flavor. Real nice flavor. A real nice flavor. Yeah, I'm saying flavor. Remember Omar, my friend Omar, they have a dog named Flavor. Pitbull. Big up yourself, Omar. So I use 2 so I get enough flavor. So I say I don't want a noodle part in it. Yeah. Just like that. And the breeze will blow hard out here, please. Be careful of me. Just go light waste. And then I take my seasoning. This is my Jamaican season. Yeah. And I need no foreign season. Foreign season. We are Caribbean people. Caribbean people know the best season. How to season food. You know what I'm saying? But I need foreign of a teacher how to season food. With them season there. You know the season I talk peeps, that one there. We start with M. We're full of MSG. Salt is a shame. That season. For them season here, yeah, Jamaican season peeps. Real Jamaican season. Yeah.
So you know, as I finish this, I have to cover it because fly them, and you don't need flying on your food. That's not good. Because if you know about fly, you know what they do on your food. They mess on your food when they fly upon it. So you know, this is well seasoned. And you cut it, now the part them I cut, put it in it. Yeah, just like that. I should have done this from morning before I leave, but I never decide what I'm going to do. I look out for dinner. I just decided this evening while coming home. That's how it is sometimes. Alright. So that's why it is good to cut out the feed them off for the fish. Because I couldn't rub my hand in it like this. It would cut me up. Yeah, it would cut me up. Dangerously. Yeah. And there's a lot of season at the bottom of it. So I'm going to get some of it and the fish same way. Yeah. Then now, look at that. Look at that piece. So it look like now? Yeah, let's look at that. See this now, peeps? When this fry, hey, if you eat it and you drop on your toe, you bend down and lick off it. So anyway, stick and stay. I catch a fire. I'm getting my fire bed ready. Yeah, getting the fire bed ready. Hold for cool night from the other day. So I'm going to split them off and get out the ashes. But this time, I'm not going to use my hand. No, my hand put on a coal. So I'm going to do it like that. Yeah. And then I scrape the ashes out. Too much ashes in there. Too much ashes. Yeah, that is it. So throw some of the coal back in there. Just like that. And coal here will light faster. Save bug burst. Bug 90% already. So now we kick it off, peeps. So in the Caribbean here, when I catch fire, look for the part here on the coconut tree, this part, this blaze. This will blaze good. At the same time, I pick it off, be careful because things will drop in on your eye. So yeah, so them part here blaze very good. So you need it. Need this. So having this is good. Then yeah, some of them here are well dry. Yeah. Yeah, see, no. Yeah. This is it. Stick and steer. Don't go now. That's what we have now. I think it's probably a little faster than we did last. The other day, yeah. Yeah. We can do it a little bit faster. It's like about 4 o'clock now. I look up at 4, so roughly by 5:30 we can finish. So by 5:30 I should finish. Yeah. So I light it like this now. Put some coal on it now. lighter in my hand because I don't want to mess up my hand. Just like that. Let's start try light it now. Paper there. Yeah, fire. More fire. Just like that. Yes. I'm gonna put some of this now in there. Put a little bit more coal in there. Yeah. Some more. Here, this one. Oh my gosh. Here. I'm about my gloves. My gloves catch a fire. My gloves catch a fire. Oh boy. Yeah. Some more fire. More fire. So anyhow peeps, stick and stay. I don't catch a fire now. Put on the pot and show you where I go on. Yeah, so don't go nowhere. Fire catch. Blazing. Catch it now. So now. So first I'm gonna look out the carrot and stuff to go on the fish. That smoked me up too much. It's smoking me up too much, peeps. That smoked me up. So I have to put all kind of stuff in it to coal catch quick. Yeah. All different stuff in it so it will catch fast and quicker. I know that cola takes off. So hard to catch, but when it catches still enough peeps, it blaze. It go on with itself, but it takes long to catch. So put a little bit more coal in it. And then we're going to house, get together, get whatever else we need to get together. Alright, so we left that now, peeps. I'm going to left that now. I'm going to house to deal with. I'm going to deal with. Just stick and stay. Don't go nowhere. So put it on the pot. Deal with the vegetable first. See if we can do it quick and fast. And you know, I just went on a table out here. So I'm going to give him a Caribbean table, a bush table, quick and fast. Here. Watch and see. Bush table, we deal with it. Like with a bush. Yeah. So we got no table out here. So, let me see if a banana leaf over there. We can always use banana leaf. See if no banana tree there near. No, thought I saw a banana tree over there. Oh, yes, I was wrong. No banana tree. Normally, if we're in Jamaica, we have a banana tree, we'll cut the leaf same way. So then I came on. So what you do it like this. Put this. Yeah. You cut this piece. Just the same. And use it as a table. So because this is big, chop it in two. Yeah, it's like that. Shall I put the table now? Yeah, I think here's the most suitable to put the table, right? Yeah, that's the table, babes. That's the table. Yeah, this is the table. Let me see. Got the camera so I can see what I'm going. Yeah, that's the table. Right here. That is it. So, this go on at this. Yeah. Not at it, what comes? Honestly, not at it, babes. It'll take long to fry fish then. If it's taking that long to hot. Cool like a ramp with me some of the time, you see? Anyhow, let's go get the pot with the fish. Yeah. The pot with the fish. And see if it's ready now. Look. Well marinated. Yes, yes. Well marinate. And there's my oil. And the buckle of oil. And I have a little bit of vinegar. I have little oil and little vinegar. Little vinegar. Put it on and see everything. Yeah. So we throw a little oil in the pot. Water still in the pot, man. How comes? Yeah. Throw a little bit. Like that, babes. Yeah. Just a bit. Yeah. I need a whole heap of oil in the pot. Then I have a vinegar here. So now I go for my yam. Stick and stir, we go for the yam. Piece of soft yam, Jamaican yam, and piece of yellow yam. And I got me a plantain. Yeah. And I got my boombox here. And big up Miss Juliet Campbell again for the fork here. Yeah, the fork here allow me not to get burned. Yeah. So in the meantime the pot are going hot. Look what I'm going to do now, peeps. I'm going to cut up the yam away and hopefully it roasts in time. I never do this before, so I must try it. But I feel like when I do this, yam is so quicker. Yeah. So I try the soft yam too. So the soft yam. Yeah. So let's see how quick it will roast. And then I got my plantain, which the plantain, I gotta eat the plantain quick. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I think I need something like a grill. Not the grill that I fried, that I roast the fish on, because the pot, if you go this high, it will take longer to boil up. So for the oil to get hot with the fish also. Yeah. Alright, looks like it's already now. What time now? 4:44. 60 minutes to 5. You need to come on now. Come on now, man. take too long now. Ah, smoke. Yeah. Ready now. Burn up the food now. Burn up. But I'm going to use the grill and I fry fish. I'm going to put more things underneath the blaze. It's not that long still. It won't take that long. Let me see. Let me throw some in it and see what I go on with. Just a bit. See? The island hot enough it. Come on now. So I'm gonna look some coconut ox in the meantime. Just stick and stay peeps. I need to speed up the process. Look like it ready now. I'm gonna see if it's a tape. Or is it a rape? Yeah. Let's turn over that pot. Yeah. Alright. Like it ready now. Like it ready now, peeps. So just need it fire for eye to kick it up. Yeah. That's it. I'm not a real countryman, man. A country me grow.
But I no country live.
Yeah?
I no country.
Yeah. Some Caribbean man not really so move like them a countryman, you know. But me a real countryman. Yeah, outdoor cooking, you know. Yeah. Real countryman style.
Just cooking that steak.
Yeah. Give me smoke and everything.
It's good to get a scent.
Yeah. My roast piece of yam in on, roast and yam and roast blanc. Yeah. No better than this. No better than this, man.
Jack said some pipe go down here.
Yeah, man, the pipe there. See that? See that right there, so I go upstairs. One here go upstairs. That's crazy. So yes, peeps. Man, some look like real countryman. Yeah, I'm a proud countryman. That is it. But me I say peeps, the fire still a hitch for me. I'm in that right now because it's too late for that. So, I kick it off and I go for one grill. So me I do peeps, fire must red now. Yeah, no foolishness. So it take too long. I'm gonna have all night to deal with this speed. So I'm gonna just work with the smoke and burn down room. In here, so right, kick it off now, peeps. When they start blaze, crazy. Alright, see it there? Start blaze on the peeps. Start. Yeah, but it's a real outdoor cooking. Real outdoor cooking, peeps, see there? Yeah, outdoor style. No itching. Outdoor cooking. When you say outdoor cooking, this is it, peeps. Fire blaze. Fire after blaze, peeps. When I say fire after though, blaze. Blazing. Fire off a blaze. See that, peeps? More fire. More fire. More fire, peeps. Let me hear some more fire. Let me hear you say more fire. Look like it all I get too mad, peeps. So let's play some music in the meantime too. So with the outside I cook, meanwhile I'll play some music. Come on. Oh, the smoke. Man must have played copyright music, please. Yeah. Cooking. Oh, we got the music. What more nice than this? Outdoor cooking.
Home run, touchdown, buzzer beater, do it all now. All now, top corner talking home run. Touchdown,
dance like a fire alarm.
do it all now. All now, top corner like all in. Lit the fire when you doubt it, now I'm all in. Put me with the best, bring the stars in. Undefeated mode, no falsing. Doubted when I lost, slide back when I win. Fade and pay the cost, but I rose so thick and thin. Battles and the scars, see them on my skin. They tried to knock me out, but I'ma fight it to the end, and it's no day. Tonight I'll reach out and touch the sky. In this
Pull up that.
touchdown, buzzer beater, do it all now. All now, top corner talking home run.
Look at
touchdown,
that.
buzzer beater, do it all now. All now, top corner like all in. Lit the fire when you doubt it, now I'm all in. Put me with the best, bring the stars in. Undefeated mode, no falsing. Doubted when I lost, slide back when I win. Fade and pay the cost, but I rose so thick and thin. Battles and the scars, see them on my skin. They tried to knock me out, but I'ma fight it to the end, and there's no days off. I'm just resting up a little, know it pays off. I'm just stuck
So
up in
now
the
I
middle,
go with the frying pan, stick and stay.
I've been carrying for years, and I'm not worried, I got no fear. Home run, touchdown, buzzer beater, do it all now. All now, top corner talking home run. Touchdown, buzzer beater, do it all now. Ball now, top corner like all in. Lit the fire when you doubt it, now I'm all in. Put me with the best, bring the stars in. Undefeated mode, no falling. Hey you, hey down there. See you stop and stare, cause you're not up here. Hey you, way down there. See you down there, looking up here. Get you some binoculars.
Pull up that.
So you can see me on the Jumbotron. Buzzer beater, do it all now. All now, top corner talking home run. Touchdown, buzzer beater, do it all now. All now, top corner like all in. Lit the fire when you doubt it, now I'm all in. Put me with the best, bring the stars in. Undefeated mode, no false.
Come on.
Oh, you were cooking. Fade and pay the cost, but I rose so thick and thin.
Yeah.
Battles and the scars, see them on my skin. They tried to knock me out, but I'ma fight it to the end, and there's no days off. I'm just resting up a little, know it pays off. I'm just stuck up in the middle, now so wait it out. I've been carrying for years, and I'm not worried, I got no fear. Home run, touchdown, buzzer beater, do it all now. All now, top corner talking home run. Touchdown, buzzer beater, do it all now. Ball now, top corner best, bring the stars in. Undefeated mode, no falling. Hey you, hey down there.
Yeah.
Stop there, cause you're not up here.
What's supposed to sweat and no peeps? When I'm cooking outside, something in it. Yeah. Oh, good to go again. Put enough oil in there. Yeah. Make it extremely hot. Ladies, hot.
East, west, north, south, all scenes. Worldwide, big waves on seas. Same car, same.
If you're not in the Caribbean, you need to be. So I am in the Caribbean. Where are you?
Touchdown, buzzer beater, do it all.
I'm say, do this and beat me.
Touchdown, buzzer beater, do it all.
Outdoor, so my outdoor table. Yeah. Woo. The fish here, ready for fry. Look at that. Vegetable ready to go on the fish. So I need to get myself one more dish so I can put the fry fish in. Come on! So right now I look some more stuff to put in the fire because I'm in itching.
Tonight I'll reach out and touch the sky.
Yeah.
In the city of angels, feels like I'm coming home. With my head up in the clouds, I am searching for something, and I'm still hoping. And I wanna be in, not out, wanna make this all count. Yes, I wanna go crazy now, gonna make this all count. Feeling like a rock star, cause tonight I'm getting out of line and it's alright. Feeling like just as cool as John Wayne in his movies. Feeling like I'm James Dean in a no way. Feeling like feeling like a rock star. Feeling like a rock star. Feeling like a rock star. Feeling like a rock star.
Let's see if the pot is hot enough now. Let's see if the pot is hot enough now. If the pot enough is not. Say ooh ooh. Say ooh ooh. Say ooh ooh. See there? Go there.
Sing my song for some dollars to keep me going. I try to act like a superstar. Get tattoos
Pot wasn't hot enough.
in a place where it's showing.
Pot wasn't hot enough, so I'm gonna kick it up a notch. I'm gonna turn up the stove now. Look, I'm turn up the stove, peeps. This is how I will turn up the stove. I need another battery. The battery dying. Alright, this is how I turn up the stove, peeps. This will turn up the stove. This is from the coconut. This is how I will turn up the stove. Yeah. Watch me turn up the stove, babe. Stove will turn up now, peeps. Watch and see.
Let's get some sun, baby. It's time to go.
Me and jump over the smoke. So anyway, peeps, let's go inside and get another battery. My battery is dying.
I can feel
The heat is rising. Definitely the heat is rising. We run this show. Come on, hit me. Shine a little tonight. Turn up the fire. Peeps, that is it. So stick and stay, don't go nowhere. Yes peeps, so I say I am hungry, so now I'm gonna eat the plantain. Like it roast. Yeah, it looks like a plantain roast now. I am very, very, very hungry. Man, so you know what's happening now, peeps? Because the oil wasn't extremely hot when I put in the fish break up on me, and I hate that. That's the reason why I don't like them oil here neither, I know. But because my coconut oil is almost finished, because I don't know why the oil is frothing like that. Yeah. So, and the chicken I'm eating the plantain. This is real Caribbean style. Yeah. I don't want to burn up the yam then. I know peeps, you can't stay, don't go nowhere.
I thought I'd bring back. I thought I'd bring
No
back.
man, what you should have done, I never say you should do it enough. You get the Corona with 2. Instead of the 6 Corona, you get 2 drugs in the night. That's what
No, but then but you see, when they do like that, they still end up almost the same thing.
Oh,
because they charge you by the feet, you see.
Okay.
So you have to be by feet all the way now because you see down there.
Yeah, this is Steve. Steve will get me a 6-pack. Not even 6, a 8-pack. Yeah. Holy small. Got a little copyright music, Steve, so I'm gonna play. I forgot this is copyright music. I can't play copyright music. So, music and beer and food.
Can't help myself. You know too well I need.
Say fish and ready yet, peeps. I could say fish and ready yet. And then fish will give me a lot of trouble. This is not what I bargained for. Fish on my stick, so apparently what I'm gonna have to do when I take out these fish aside, I'm gonna scrape out the pot and throw the oil and get the pot hot again. When the oil extremely hot, fish can fry good. Listen, well, I'm up.
Can't help myself.
You know, peeps, stick and stay. I almost have to do it all over again. So, you scrape out the pot and put fresh oil in it and make it stay till it's hot. Never put fish in the pot unless it's extremely hot. Otherwise it would stick. And I hate that. But it stick, but I'm still gonna work with this one. Right up from the fly then. So I wait for the pot to hot again so we can kick it off. So now we look like I might turn up like a stove. I stir up, turn down, peeps. So I'm sure I can find over here so we turn up the stove. Let's see what we can find over here to turn up the stove. What I find to turn up the stove. So you know, peeps, stick and stay. The oil will hold me up for this evening rather. So let's see if it's hot enough. Yeah. So it's supposed to have fish. I'm going to put in the fish. That's the way it's supposed to be from. Don't play with my fire. That's the way it's supposed to be now. Thick like Van Damme. Yeah, see that now? Yeah. That's the way it's supposed to be. No joking thing. As you see, my yam ready. Yam roast already. This is the yellow yam and this is the soft yam. So actually I'm gonna scrape them, not peel them this time. I'm gonna scrape them from now, you know, the fish go and roast. fish go on fry. The stick and stay peeps, so I'm gonna yes fam, so meanwhile the fish are fry, I'm going to scrape the yam. I'm not going to peel it this time and waste it. So I'm gonna peel it, I normally waste it. So I'm going to scrape it this time. Yeah, when I scrape it, you get more tight. Yeah. Scrape it, get more tight peeps. And I peel it, to waste it. Yeah. And this gonna be nice. Scrape it into the ow. I must this a plastic in the peeps. And it is not cloth. Yeah. So look now. So look. Yeah. Woo. This is hot. Smoke. Fish bone and municipal family. So like we turn the fish before it burn up too. We're gonna use one on this. We're not using one hand. Yeah. So it's giving me the color that I want. No. Yeah, that one kind of itch, but look better than the first one. Look better than the first set. Yeah. Scrape off all of the black off of it. Yeah. Make sure I move the other piece out of the heat. Yeah. Let me go wash off man and I'm finished. All of the black scrape off of it. That's my roast yam. So now I'm gonna put it back on the fire and make it continue. Make it stay warm. And then this piece, I'm gonna scrape off this piece also. I'm gonna put them dirty from the fire ashes. This is when I cook outdoor, you can't help but get dirty. Holy smoke! Don't use plastic bag only. Only yam paper. Because the heat gonna come to the plastic same way. Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord. Can't do no more please. Hot. I can't do no more, so I'm take out some of my fish them now. I'm afraid to take out.
I know it's a little bit too much for sure. So cold, but we're always coming back for more. Egos in this wicked game, it's all for sure. Oh, I've got
Let's open a itch again. Because I hate when it itch.
what it's all about. It's a second and then we fight it again. Coaster ride for the drink good minds, but I don't ever want us to stop it. Go ahead, don't let me smile for all I care. Just wanna stay close, don't say that. Ain't gonna leave you. I don't wanna sabotage. I'm a million. Explode every time you go and slam the door.
Just not going my way today.
How we always end up on the
Fish
floor.
continue to itch and I hate that shit.
Push the buttons to the core, I got you. And we figured out what it's all about. Takes a second and then we
know, yeah?
back it again. Coaster
Gonna work with it.
ride for the drink good minds, but I don't ever want us to stop it. Go ahead, don't let me smile for all I care. Just wanna stay close, don't
When I peep stick and stay, I get fire cool long, so I put some more. I turn it up some more again. Take out this now. Put in some more.
Yeah, you fry kong. You wanna make one?
Conch?
Take it. We are Jamaican kong all way. We never eat fry kong till every night.
Yeah. Me never fried it neither. But them roast some.
Say, you want to take it like fry kong?
Me never eat it neither.
Now we take your mistake.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let me put in a season. No, I want it back.
Yes, please, I fried it. Last side fish. Yeah? The madman. Yeah, 27 is madman. You didn't know that? You know now. A madman? Yeah, and I supposed a big fire too. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yes, peeps. Let's see if we can work on this, you know. No burn. Yeah. Real country style, you know? No table.
leaf.
Eh?
You need more sucker leaf.
Oh, yeah. Some,
Sucker leaf.
no, we do use banana leaf too.
Yeah, that's it.
But we not none. So.
You know the sucker with that go good on it. Not plenty water.
Oh, you mean the sheen and so.
Yeah, and the banana.
Yeah.
And try get one.
I think me this banana run but I think I see banana tree over there, but me look, I see none over there. I think banana tree over there. I look since evening and I don't see none.
You might by the water come out.
Yeah.
That water when it was you see good and water now. And right from the plant.
Yeah. Babes, no one this burn. Yes, beef. So this is the last of the fish. Yeah, so it's fat, the piece of fat. Yeah, I don't know what kind of fish that. Anyway, stick and stay. Don't go nowhere. Food. Done now. Done fry, so eating time. Take out the last of it. Out of the pot. Yeah. That is that. Yeah. And scrape out my leaves so fish calling can get it. Yeah. Calling gotta get some, you know? Yeah. They don't play with hot oil, peeps, to get rid of it same time. Hot oil. Dangerous. So now I'm gonna go to get a plate and share out my dinner. This is my dinner. I'm telling about them flyer peeps. Them flyer is dangerous. Yeah. Celebrate life, celebrate life. Peeps. Look at that. Dinner is served. That is my dinner. Look at my dinner, peeps. Do that and beat me. Do that and beat me. Me not show off. Me not show off. Look, do that and beat me. Me not show off. You see, I'm not showing off. So those are you saying I'm showing off. No, I'm not showing off. I'm just showing. I'm not showing off. I'm showing all of my dinner. So I'm gonna get a plate now. Yeah. I'm gonna get a plate. And have a feast. I'm gonna have a feast, my peeps. I'm hungry. So, let me go have a feast, you know. A feast, you know. A feast time. Feast time, peeps. You still texting me? Customer texting me early tomorrow morning. God spare my life. It is Saturday morning. Yeah. So it's feast time, peeps. So this is my table. Bring on closer to my table. I'm sharing my food. Yeah. Bring on closer. Closer. Come closer. Why when me look about my food now, somebody text me now. You're welcome, alright. They say thanks. I'm saying well, you're welcome. Yeah. As I say, peeps, outdoor kitchen. Yeah. Cheese and peas. Person continue to take same way. I'm looking about my dinner. Yeah. See that, peeps? That is dinner. Dinner could nicer than this. Do this and beat me. Do this and beat me. Yeah. And then fly here. They are horrible. So I cover up everything from them. Alright, so this is the yellow yam. This is the yellow yam. So, ow, ow, holy smoke. It is so hot. So let me slice up some of it. You see it, peeps? It roasts right through. Yeah, look at that. Holy, 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 holy. Lord Almighty. There. Look at dinner, peeps. Which is my dinner. So, yeah, I'll leave some for the other people, so. Yeah, and these are the soft yam. This is the soft yam. Woo. Jesus. But the hot, peeps. I'm gonna say hot for me inside. Hot. So I put it back here on the fire. Put the chicken in the chocolate. And the fly them stay far away from it. It's nice, peeps. Mushy. Everything go up the side and can't get nothing. Yeah. Peeps, this is soft yam. And the skin crispy and nice. Look at chicken, peeps. Look at chicken. Look at chicken, serious. The chicken is so serious. Jeez, I'm pissed. You turn it to the color. If you want to go on it now, fire go burn him. Chicken serious, that's shame. Chicken want to be some yam. Chicken want to eat off my yam, peeps. Hello? Okay, no problem. Alright. Alright. Alright now. There, boy. Yeah. Chicken like the one them have me sold. See that, peeps? The chicken they want to hijack my pots. Nothing is in the pot, but something is in the dish. They want to hijack. That shows you how sweet my food is. And the chicken they want to hijack me. Yeah. But yellow yam, peeps. This is yellow yam with the skin same way. All I did is scrape it. And the yam Tell you, it's soak. So I'm gonna eat and then I take some for Mr. Lady. This is nice, Steve. Right now, I'm feeling so rich. This is rich. I'm in the Caribbean. Where are you? Yeah, I'm in the Caribbean eating like a king. Not King Kong either. King. So anyway, stick and stay. Kitchen back. I'm match up all of this. This is the result. I am finished eating. Yeah. Dinner was awesome. Trust me. Couldn't be more nicer. And this is really outdoor Jamaican Caribbean style cooking. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. You pull up my foot, even my foot them dirty, peeps. Look at my feet. Even my foot them dirty. Slippers dirty. Because ashes and everything, and my clothes dirty up. That is outdoor cooking. No pretty something. But when you're done, you get the best tasting food. Yeah. So when I come to the Cayman or Jamaica, I'm gonna cook you some of this real Caribbean food. Yeah. Fish straight from the ocean to the pot. Local yam. Yeah. Just tell me what you want. And you get it. Yeah. So thank you all for watching and liking and sharing and commenting and subscribing. Thank you for keep coming back and supporting the channel. I really appreciate you all. And remember, don't skip your ads. That's how I make a revenue on the channel. Don't skip your ads. Watch your ads. Watch the ads and continue to share with your friends and your family. Yeah. Share with your friends and your family. Yeah. So, this is a boy Olifire 777 coming to you from Grand Cayman, a Jamaican boy in a Grand Cayman. You know. Yeah. And this is how I cook outdoor my dinner. Not specially for the vlog, but just my dinner. Or I cook my dinner and I decide to share my dinner with you. So I hope you enjoyed my dinner. Yeah. Tastes good, don't? Yeah. I'm not showing off anyone, you know. I'm just showing all. So big up on yourself. I remember, love yourself first. And especially the men, especially men, respect yourself. You get what I'm saying? Respect yourself. Stop putting yourself down. Man must be man. Yeah, stand up like a lion. Yeah. And don't be no jellyback man. You hear me say, man? Don't be no jellyback. Weak back man. Stand up. Yeah. And be man. Stop chasing after frog tail. You get what I'm saying? No need to chase. Respect. You get what I'm saying? What you should look for, you respect she and she respect you. Without no respect, not gonna work. So anyway, peeps, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. One fire, all fire. Love what you do and do what you love. And do it to the best of your ability. So I'm gonna take some and bring to my Mr. Lady. And then bring some to Shelly. Also, big up yourself, Shelly, my sister Shelly. Yeah, so until next video, big up on yourself. One fire, all fire. Peace out.
Knock some weight off. I've been carrying for years, and I'm not worried, I got no fear. Home run, touchdown, buzzer beater, do it all now. Ball now, top corner talking home run. Touchdown, buzzer beater, do it all now. Ball now, top corner like all in. Lit the fire when you doubted, now I'm all in. Put me with the best, bring the stars in. Undefeated mode, no falling. Hey you, hey down there, see you some binoculars so you can see me on the jumbotron. They noticed me back when I dropped top speed. It's been top speed, took a leap off the edge and you at cold feet. I'm driving head first, phone turn, phone freeze.